Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the range display standard on your XPeng vehicle. So to change it, go to the vehicle settings, and in the vehicle settings, we're going to scroll down and go over to charging and discharging. Here, at the range display settings, you should see the range display standard, and here we have the WLTP, and for right now I have 219 kilometers, and when I switch it to dynamic, I have 227 kilometers. So it depends on what you want. You can have a fixed value that's most likely to be true, or you can put it in dynamic and see how much kilometers or how many kilometers you can just drive. So it's totally up to you. It's dependent on what your preference is. Of course, the dynamic one will always show more kilometers, but it's dynamic and that's why. So, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.